Now it's time to turn off the water supply to your toilet. Do not skip this step, because if you do and you start detaching plumbing, you're gonna get water everywhere and you will flood your bathroom. So to turn off the water, you just look behind your toilet and you find the water connection to the wall. And usually there is a knob that turns the water on and off. And make sure when you're turning to only do quarter turns at a time and to turn consciously, because your pipes may have mineral buildup or even rust on them. And if you don't have a knob, you can use pliers to turn off the water. And if you do see something strange, definitely call a plumber or email us a photo at install@hellotushy.com. All right, let's start it off. And on this one, I just do a quarter turn and the water is actually off. And when you turn it off, you'll hear a distinct sound of the water shutting off. Now, to empty your tank, give your toilet a flush and hold down the flusher until you hear the water stop flowing. You can also do a double check by looking inside your toilet. When you see that the water is low or that it's stopped flowing, you're ready to go. Now let's turn off the hot water connection underneath your sink. And always check that the valve isn't hot, because sometimes it is and you don't want to burn yourself.
Hi, it's Frozen Carrie, here to give you a hot tip, literally. When you check if something is hot, make sure to use the back of your hand so you don't burn your fingers. Now back to the scheduled programming.
This valve is similar to the toilet water connection. Locate your hot water control knob and turn off the valve. When you turn off the water, you'll also hear a very distinct sound of the water shutting off. And to double check that your hot water is off, you can simply turn your knob. Look, it is off. If you have any questions, please email install@hellotushy.com.